tour we look at examples of volcanic features of the Earth. Our satellite-based imagery accidentally captured this small volcanic eruption in progress on White Island, north of New Zealand. Small is not the right word for the eruption that created Crater Lake in Oregon. Perhaps 40 cubic kilometers of lava, rock and ash was ejected in a huge eruption nearly 7,000 years ago. Following a big eruption, a caldera can be the result. Sometimes, even now, a boiling cauldron of superheated activity. Perhaps Yellowstone is the best known caldera. Yellowstone last erupted over 500,000 years ago, ejecting perhaps 1,000 cubic kilometers of lava, ash and rock. Like Yellowstone, many volcanoes are very well known, such as Italy's Vesuvius, classified as a somma volcano, a volcanic caldera that is partially filled by a new cone. Vesuvius last erupted in 1944, though of course is best known for destroying Pompeii in AD 79. A stratovolcano is one that has been built up, usually into a tall cone, from many layers of hardened lava, ash, pumice and other ejecta from the volcanic event. There are many famous examples: Kilimanjaro in Kenya, Mount Fuji in Japan, and most of the Cascade Range in the US, including the trio of Mount St. Helens, Mount Adams and Mount Rainier. Sometimes a named volcano actually consists of several stratovolcanoes, including Mount Etna on Sicily and the wonderfully named Popocatépetl in Mexico, shown here. Another common volcanic form is the shield volcano, distinct from stratovolcanoes in that they are built up almost exclusively from fluid lava, generally have a low profile but large expanse, like a warrior shield. Hawaii's Mauna Loa, the world's largest volcano, is a prime example. A rare form of shield volcano is the pyroclastic shield, rare because the shield is not formed from flowing lava, but instead from pyroclastic ejecta from highly explosive eruptions. Pyroclastic simply means shattered volcanic rock. We're looking at the pyroclastic shield in the Purico complex in Chile. A lot less visible are the subglacial volcanoes. When these erupt, the lava melts some of the overlying glacier, but the lava cools quickly from this contact. Strange shapes and lakes are often the result, until the volcano breaks through the ice and forms a more conventional cone. Similar to the subglacial volcanoes, the lava from submarine volcanoes cools quickly. Sometimes they break the surface, but even then a future eruption can take them below the surface again. Bowie Seamount, near British Columbia in Canada, has reached just 24 metres below sea level from its base 3,000 metres down. When a volcano meets the criteria of multiple categories, it can be called a complex or compound volcano. Check out Tipas in Argentina. It has a complex of stratovolcanic cones, domes and craters. When volcanoes do erupt explosively, they can leave behind some strange features. The Delol explosion crater in Ethiopia, following an eruption in 1926, left behind, among other things, these green acid ponds. Whereas cinder and pyroclastic cones are made of rock, tuff cones, or tuff rings, are made of consolidated ash. Here are the tuff cones of the Korath range in Ethiopia. We leave this tour from Tombora, a stratovolcano in Indonesia. Its last big eruption in 1815 was the largest in recent history. It blew out an estimated 100 cubic kilometers of material, 100 times more than the spectacular eruption of Mount St. Helens. Though fairly rare, clearly very big bangs are a persistent feature of volcanism on Earth. Check out our top 10 volcanic sites and lists of thousands of volcanic features in our Natural Earth collection. Remember too perhaps that the only safe place to watch a volcanic eruption is on television.